The role of artificial intelligence in advancing inclusive education, opportunities and challenges. It is an undisputed fact that artificial intelligence, AI, is extensively used in the field of education and offers numerous opportunities in teaching and learning. For example, it is used to impart knowledge, stimulate comprehension, and heighten intelligence. Moreover, it is treasured as a substantial support in teaching and learning. It is also instrumental in empowering and inspiring students. Artificial intelligence allows computer systems and machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Some of these include problem solving and decision making. Hence, it can learn from data and augment its performance over time and is instrumental in addressing complex scenarios by identifying patterns and making predictions. It can also make decisions based on available data and pre-programmed logic. The emergence of AI also has a positive impact on inclusive education. The general concept of inclusive education ensures that all students, regardless of background, learning abilities, or disabilities, have equal access to quality educational opportunities. It is basically concerned about creating proper learning environments where everyone feels welcome, valued, and supported, allowing them to participate and thrive in their own unique ways. Since these technologies can potentially transform teaching and learning, it is important to understand how they can be used to further advance inclusive education. Some of the challenges with AI are the lack of diversity and representation in the development and deployment of AI systems. This can lead to biased AI models that perpetuate existing social inequalities and exclude certain groups of people from benefits and opportunities. This literature-based research analyzed some advantages and challenges of incorporating AI in teaching and learning and highlighted how it influences inclusion. Based on the literature, some of the advantages of AI are improved performance of students, motivation, and encouragement of students. This review also identified some challenges associated with the use of AI for inclusive education, such as technological difficulties, poor connectivity, pedagogical issues, and limitations of the database. Some recommendations are proposed to address these challenges. This research can assist educators, parents, students, government officials, and policymakers in making proper decisions on the effective use of AI and inclusion. Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming a major part of everyday life, including how we teach and learn. In education, AI has changed traditional teaching methods by offering tools that can personalize learning for different student needs. This is especially important in inclusive education, which aims to support all students, including those with learning difficulties. AI can help by giving students personalized feedback, adapting lessons to their learning styles, and providing support tools that make education more accessible. However, simply using AI is not enough to guarantee better results. Schools and teachers need to understand how AI works and how to apply it effectively. This research looked at existing studies to understand the role of AI in supporting inclusive education. It found that while AI holds great promise, few studies directly explore how it helps students with diverse needs. This study aimed to fill that gap by summarizing key ideas, theories, and examples of how AI is being used in inclusive classrooms. It also offered guidance for future research to better understand how AI can improve learning for all students, especially those who need extra support. The main goal was to explore how AI tools impact inclusive education outcomes. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the power to improve education, especially for students with different learning needs. This paper looked at how AI can support inclusive education by helping all students learn better, regardless of their abilities. While it did not focus on specific AI tools, it showed that AI can boost student skills, motivation, and engagement. Since technology and society work together, AI can play a strong role in making education more inclusive. Overall, the study highlighted the importance of using AI to improve teaching and learning for everyone in the classroom. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.